Hello. Where's your sister?
Why?
Just answer me. Where's your sister?
Why?
So why you can't just tell me where's your sister now? Listen now. Listen. I'm gonna give a job. I need you to go and call your sister for me.
I can't just do a job. I will something.
With something. Just go first now. Go give you when you come back.
I can't do anything for free. I need money. Give it.
You see this small girls now. Why? Okay. Listen. One condition. You are going inside. You call for me. Right? Okay. Look at you. I'll give 10 now. I'll give 10. I'll go give this one. Take this one. I'll go. Just go for me. Call for me. You see me? I'm waiting outside.
Sister, why are you smiling? So now, stop smiling. Why are you smiling? Where'd you get that man from? Joe, where'd you get that man from?
That black guy.
Which black guy? Who gave you this man?
Is it from that black guy that you don't like?
Which black guy?
The one that you rejected.
He's the one who gave you this man. My friend, give me this man. Give it to me. Why did he give you this man? Why did you give you this man? So now you are selling me. You want to sell me now? No, I'm not gonna give you this man. No, I'm not gonna. When you tell me that I'm not interested, go back and tell him. You want to sell me now? No.